everybody and welcome back. In this video we want to work with the multi-camera feature in Premiere Pro. Actually, when editing a TV show or event, it can be really time consuming to edit a sequence with multiple cameras. But in Premiere Pro there is a really handy multi-camera tool designed to help save a bunch of time when editing a multi-camera sequence. So at first you need a folder here in the project panel with some videos which you captured with different cameras. I prepared it for you. This is the videos and I have 3 videos here. For creating a multi-camera, you can press right click on the folder and press the create multi-camera source sequence button. That's it, and the name is OK, and I prefer to set the default settings, and now press OK. This is the multicam movie entitled Cats, and I add it to my timeline here. Very easy and simple. And I want to add my song. Okay, now based on my tempo of my song, I want to edit my video. As you see, if I click on it and put a playhead here, I have just one video. So in the program panel, I press right click and go to display mode and add the multi-camera here, and this is other clips just into one clip. And now if I select the move tool and play it, whenever I choose what clips I want, it will be recorded. Okay, now I press space. Oh, let me unmute my song. That's it. Okay, now I start it. Okay, that is enough. And this is my edited video, as you see here. Okay, now I play it. Okay, let me put the display mode to the default one. This is for composite video, and now I play it. Okay, that was the application of the multi-camera that is very useful and enhance your speed and quality of your editing. And actually you can see it in all the movies, in all the films and all the series. That is very important. Okay, that's finished. I will see you in the next lecture. And actually in the next video we want to mix some sequences to the final sequence. So I will see you in the next lecture.